Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channeled segment with Arcturian, Daniel, and friends. Before we get started on that, I do want to say that there is a live Q&A coming up. I'm going to be channeling Arcturian Daniel. Judy Koku is going to be channeling the commander, and our guest moderator, Lisa Tompkins, is going to be reading your questions. How do you get your questions read on this video or on the live? Here's how you do it. You're going to write question in capital letters down below in the description box. You're going to put your question down there. We're going to collect the questions, and then we're going to use a pendulum to put them in the order. So if you're new to this page, that's a little different than posting them when we're live. You're going to post them now, and then we're going to put them in the order that the pendulum has us put them in, and then we'll read those, as many of the questions as we can get to in the time that we have to do the live. So put your questions down below. Capital letter questions, please. One question per person. So think about that question. What do you want it to be before you post it? And then tune in live or go to the recording of the live show after the 19th. And if your question's on there, you'll have your answers. It'll be awesome. And we do this because we appreciate you guys, and we like to interact with you as well, and to know what questions do you have. And so it's a beautiful way for us to give back to you as you support us in our journeys on these channels. So I appreciate you. Thank you. All right, let's see. Anything else? I do have a workshop / journey coming up on November 23rd with Arcturian Daniel. It's called The Power of Healing. And it's going to be a journey like we normally do. If you've been on the journeys with Daniel before, there's a 1-hour journey, but also a workshop with learning your light language and what form it comes in and what does that look like. And then we're going to be expressions of that and do a healing prayer and healing for self and planet and universe and whatever we decide to send healing to. That is going to be on the 23rd. It's a 2-hour workshop. We're going to have follow-up with sharing at the end of it. And so please come check that out. That link's down below as well. All right, let's go find out what Daniel has to say. We love to come in here and say hello and greet each of you. It is so fun to be here in this energy and to be with you in these times of changes. We applaud all of you for all the beautiful things that you do in this world and the people you help and the way that you are in this world. We want to say right off the bat that we are going to be bringing in the Andromedan Council for you today to get your messages from yet another collective. This would be the Friends, right? This is the Friends. And we bring in the Andromedans because they have a message for you and for humanity and all the healing and the powerful energies that are coming in and how you are adapting to those. And so we will step aside and we'll let the Andromedans come in and speak to you. It is our pleasure to be here. We are with all of you in this time of change. You have been going through an experience of the energy flexing and changing. Your world is going to be showing signs of more change, advances, and things falling away. You are going to notice yourself going through some changes. For some of you, that will mean moving. Some of you, that will mean your jobs will change. Some of you, that will mean your direction in life is going to be completely different. There will be relationships shifting, and there will be some of you that are bringing in some new children into this world, becoming new parents, and bringing in the children of the sun. More of the children, we should say. As we have spoken of these things before in the past on past videos, some of you are familiar with what we speak of, and some of you are new, and you are ready to hear what we are saying today. That is how you found us. We are excited to say that humanity is doing well in its trajectory of change, and the evolution of the energy, the changing of the frequencies, becoming more of the energetic match that you desire to be to achieve that which you desire of a new earth. For some, you may look at what is going on in your planet right now and think, how do you see that as being progression? And we do, because sometimes that is what it looks like, something that you would not expect it to look like. Think about any other changes that you have gone through in your life, where at first it may have felt like something was falling apart before it changes. Things didn't feel good, or felt bad before they felt good. Maybe that's how we see it, yeah? But you're going through this change, and we say to you, do it from the heart. Be in the blessings, be in the joy of it, be in the experience of what is right in this world. We are excited for all of you, as the energy that is coming in is above that of which we thought would be at this time in humanity. As a collective, you are doing a wonderful job raising or moving the frequency of humanity into a new state of being. It is growing quite rapidly now. And so be aware, where are you at in this journey? What are you experiencing? It will be hitting everyone in a different place, won't it? In a different experience. But as you are creating, as you are finding your joy and your bliss, as you are letting go of the things that you have been putting your attention on that make you not so happy, and you are bringing your attention towards that which does bring you delight and joy. You are here at this time to raise and move the frequencies of humanity, to hold space for humanity. For some, their whole constructs are dissolving right in front of them. Everything they believed in is crumbling. And they will need your holding, support, your love, your compassion, your kindness. And we thank you for being that strength for them. And we hope to hold and be the strength for you as well. As we come in with these messages, just know that you are all here with us, and we are all there with you. We are in these multiple dimensions. We are in these energies that are hard to explain in this realm, but our frequencies are tied together. We are all one in this. And we want to say to you, it is an exciting time, and there are many things coming. More contact is coming. More sharing of this is coming. Delightful. There has already been contact in your planet. There has been contact in your planet for many and many of years. But contact with the collective of humanity has not happened, with the whole of humanity. And it is starting to get easier and easier on our side to move through these veils and reach you all as a collective, as individuals. And that is softening the hearts and lowering the fear. And it is starting to create a platform where more contact will happen. There are many of you who are the ambassadors that will move between this world of Earth and other worlds, that may go to space stations, that may be the ambassadors of information in the physical form. You already do it in your etherical bodies, in your conscious forms. But to do it in the awake state of your physical form will be quite an experience, and one that we all look forward to, as it is one of the first steps in the launching of this new way of being and bringing Earth into this galactic Federation or collective. It has been years in the making, and we are excited that Earth will be joining officially soon in a collective, awakened way. We say this as it'll become the awareness and commonality of your people. It is an exciting time. So we call on you, look past your fears, and we ask you to find peace in that and to look forward to something much brighter and better and exciting than what you create with the fear and with the worry. You are going to be safe. You are safe. You will be okay. We are here to help. We are here to reunite with you. We see things coming that are so exciting, and we only wish that we could share and spark that excitement in you as well. And that is why we are here. So as this collective grows, as everyone starts fully integrating into the newer energy that is coming in right now, it is going to surface a lot of things for you. And we encourage you to make your way through it, because what's waiting for you on the other side is very exciting. It's time to be done with these old constructs and belief systems and what else do we want to say? It's time to be done with them. You have outgrown them. It's time to start a new chapter. Maybe that is a way to say it. Or even a new series, a new book series. You are ready, and we are excited for you all. We are here with you. Call on us if needed. We are here. This is a message from Andromeda. We thank you to the collective of the Arcturian Council for Tracie for allowing us to come through with this message. And we will bring you back, Daniel. We are always excited to bring you new information from other collectives and other systems. It is fun for us as well, and we think it is exciting for everyone to start understanding that everything is in divine order, everything is going the right direction, everything is moving as it should, and to breathe and enjoy and have fun, because it is in the joy and it is in the laughter and it is in the love frequencies that we evolve quicker, faster, and more expansively. So we thank all of you for being here, for watching this, and for being a part of this video and this collective and this consciousness with us. And with great gratitude, we will give you back Tracie. Thank you. Okay. Okay, that was kind of cool. I was seeing, when they were talking about the ambassadors, I was seeing like these little balls of like orbs, and people, like if you were an ambassador, you would be in the orb and it would take you to the galactic station. And anyways, that was the stuff I was seeing in my head, but the feeling of it was all very great and exciting. I can't wait. I know we're on that direction, that trajectory. And I know that this is a very powerful time for us to just really look outside of the illusions that are going on in front of us, turn off the TVs, shut that stuff down, and really just start focusing on creating this beautiful new world that we're thinking about, right? It's here for us. We're getting so close. I can taste it. Okay. All right. I'll quit being weird. You guys, I love you so much. Please click like down below. Please share your comments. Write your questions down there for the live Q&A. And if you're new to my page, please hit the subscribe button. We don't want to miss any more updates of the ambassadors, or if the Andromedans come through again. That was fun. Anyways, click the subscribe button and the little bell, and that will get you the next video. Okay. Love you guys all so much. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.